Happy Monday from a wet Disney Magic, boys and girls. Oh my god, look at this rain. It's a rainy day, but we're not letting that spoil our fun. We're still going out and about in the pools. Steve's in the hot tub as we speak. I'll give you a moist tour of the Disney Magic. Did I say Disney Dream? I meant Disney Magic. I'll just wipe your lens, hold on. So here is the adult pool. Seen this water, man? Every so often it just floods down the stairs. There's not many people sunbathing, so if you need a lounger, there's plenty of them around. So here's the adult pool. There's a Steve-O's in the far hot tub. There's a concierge area. There's a concierge outdoor pool. Well, not outdoor pool, outdoor area. Stick my camera over and show you. Along here there's an iconic Mickey funnel. Then there's a family pool here, also known as the Goofy pool. Hope you can hear me, boys and girls. Oh, it's very slippy. Oh, it's still having a fabulous time though, even though it's minus 1,000. We're not going to let a bit of rain spoil our fun because we're English after all. Ooh, nearly slipped. So here's the adult pool. Sorry, here's the Goofy family pool. They're showing some sort of Goofy movie. I should know which one it is, but I'm not certain. Is it the Goofy movie? Is that Max? There's the other Mickey funnel. Just going to wipe your lens again, hold your horses. There's the other hot tub. Here's a float. Here is the beautiful Mediterranean Sea, Atlantic Sea, and oh my gosh, look how deep it is. Thank you, Disney, for keeping all the pools open as well. I know you could quite easily close them, but we do appreciate that you've left them open for us to have fun. Hope you can hear me on my waterproof camera. And here's the Mickey pool, which has probably got nobody in it. And that yellow slide's the Mickey slide. It's got another name which I forget. So here's the Mickey pool. The poor lifeguards, look at them, bless them. Standing freezing cold, soaking wet. That yellow slide's called the Twist and Spout. I'll take it for a walk around the back of the deck. I'll try not to video these girls with the bikinis on, that's a bit weird. Oh. So I'm just going to take you around the back of the deck now to where Paolo's restaurant is. I just did that to not video those young girls with the bikinis on. So this is Paolo's restaurant. This is one of the ones that you pay a little extra charge for, but you get sort of like 10-star service. Ooh, there's me looking glamorous. Suck me belly in, take me shorts. See, just because it's a bit of rain, not going to let you spoil your Disney fun. So here's the back of the ship. This is where we sometimes have breakfast and where you might be seeing the Mickey waffle photograph sticking over the edge of the ship. So this is a Cabana's restaurant buffet where we normally have breakfast and lunch. So this is the back of Paolo's restaurant. Hopefully I'm not flashing at all the diners in there. I might put them off the lunch. Just watch this puddle. Ooh, slippy. Oh, this bit's closed. I know it's not around here is. So I think I was going to say our cabin's under here, but it's absolutely not. We're completely the wrong end of the ship. You know me, my sense of direction. So we're heading back around to where the hot tub is, where we left Stephen. I've never seen the place so empty. Everyone must be indoors, bless them. It's not freezing cold, but it's quite chilly. But for us English, it's quite warm, so we're not complaining. There's a Twist and Spout. I'll just wipe your lens, hold on. We'll go nice and dry again. Ooh, Nelly slipped and Nelly said a naughty word. There's a little water park thing down there as well for the kids. Turn the screen back on because I've turned off. Oh, the film's finished. Here's the back of the other iconic Mickey funnel. It's good that they are leaving the pools open because they could quite easily close them. The weather's so... hang on. Oh, nearly slipped again. Because the weather's so bad they could quite easily... hang on, got a bit of fluff on my lens now. Quite easily close the pool, so thank you Disney for keeping them open for entertainment pleasure. Who's that adult? Sorry, there's a family hot tub. The poor guy, look at the poor lifeguard. Stand at the bottom of the slide all day, and there's one up there at the top. Oh, someone's going down it. Had a little video of someone scooching by. The red bit of tube, that's where the floor drops out of it and everyone falls, and then you come down this blue bit. Whee, like that. Whee! And that's called the Aquadunk, which is quite a new feature on the ship. The Disney Wonder doesn't have it, just the Disney Magic. The Disney Dream and Fantasy have the Aquaduck, which is the water coaster. Hang on, I'm just going to dry my camera again. Oh, with horses. I think this camera's waterproof. And there's Mr. Stephen down there in the hot tub chatting to his new chums. I might go in the pool again. That's what I'll do now, I'll take him to the pool for a little dipple. Hopefully I don't have anything hanging out my nose. You know when you've been in the swimming pool and you have a bit of a bogey moment? Wait, hang on, I'm going to try and not break my neck holding on. Hold your horses. Excuse the silence. Oh, these are the stairs that flood. This one and the one opposite. I'm going to go on the other side of the pool now. We've recorded for 6 minutes. This is interesting for you all. Oh, it's so cold. Trying to video that lady in the pool. Oh, the water's nice and warm. Splashing around. That's quite alright. Again, there's the concierge level. Hang on. The concierge level up there. This is under the water. One lady in the pool, we're all to ourselves. Oh! Turning a little bit of a wave pool. Oh, bloody choke. I was trying to get my GoPro to lie in the bottom of the pool to do an action drama mermaid shot, but I forgot I've got a floaty handle on it, so it doesn't go on the bottom of the float. Oh. It's like the Little Mermaid. I'll try to do that more glamorously. Off into the bogey at my nose. Anyway, water GoPro experiment. I'm going to try that to talk and do the camera off now, so see you later. Thanks for watching. Bye!